Hello, my name is Selena Egamasi, and I'm a family nurse practitioner. I'm going to go ahead and talk about my growth plan. Nursing is constantly changing and evolving career, which requires the care providers to plan for their professional development. The process of professional development may involve continuing education training, career advancement, acquiring leadership skills, and attaining more responsibilities. As a doctoral degree in nursing student candidate, I have designed a professional development plan that will guide me through my transition into a psychiatric mental health nurse practitioner environment. The professional development plan involves activities that I need to perform to be successful and sustain a progressive career and growth plan. I have acquired a master's degree in nursing, which has enabled me to acquire knowledge to work in an advanced practice role. The master's of nursing degree has prepared me to integrate scientific findings in care delivery to improve the quality services offered to patients. The knowledge acquired in my master's program also enables me to use care technologies to offer the required care to my patients. I am currently working as a family nurse practitioner in a primary care setting doing house call services to homebound patients. While working as an FNP, I have learned to apply interprofessional collaboration to innovate new ideas required to develop suitable medical interventions that meet patient needs. Use of teamwork while working at a primary care health service to homebound patients has enabled me to develop leadership skills. The acquired leadership skills enabled me to make critical and ethical decisions and improve working relationships with other healthcare professionals. I plan to apply acquired innovative leadership and decision-making skills in my advanced practice as a psychiatric nurse practitioner after completing my DNP program. I have planned to concentrate on completing my DNP program until I graduate in May of 2019. I also intend to complete my postmaster certificate as a psychiatric nurse practitioner in July 2019. I plan to attend a 3-day annual professional conference and to interact and get relevant advice to prepare for the next steps of career development after graduation. The information and advice obtained from these conferences will enable me to strategize on starting a house calls business to offer care to psychiatric and primary care patients that are homebound. In March of 2020, I plan to meet experts who include entrepreneurs and psychiatric nurse practitioners operating private practice to obtain advice on how I can start my own house calls business. The expert opinions and advice will help me to develop a plan to start a business. I will also obtain legal authorization before I start operating the business. I will use the savings from my current job to as a initial capital, and I'll also reinvest the profit to expand the business. The house calls business will provide me with the opportunity to expand my skills, knowledge, and experience to offer care to my psychiatric and primary care patients. Through the business, I will have the opportunity to deal with increased cases of depression and other mental health conditions by employing the latest technology. I will revolutionize the treatment and management of mental conditions through the use of evidence-based mobile tools app called Mood Tools. I plan to expand the business by the year 2022 by employing additional FNPs and other healthcare professionals to reach out to more of my clients. I will also continue making changes to the business to address the emerging needs of my patients. Thank you, and that is my growth plan.